Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use widgets effectively on iOS. Widgets are larger than apps, which means you can't have quite as many of them on your screen. Apple makes it easy for you to keep your home screen neat and tidy while still getting the at-a-glance info you want from your widgets. And it does that with a widget stack and easily scrollable widget grouping. First, add a widget to your screen and add another similarly sized widget to the same screen. First, touch and hold a blank area of your iPhone home screen until the app begins to jiggle. Tap the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner of your screen to open the widget gallery. Select Smart Stack from the list below, and swipe left until you find the one you like. Keep in mind that larger widgets can display more information. When you find the widget you want, tap Add Widget. While your apps are still jiggling, they'll stop after a while if you don't take any action. Use your finger to move the widget to the spot you prefer, and then tap Done. You can scroll through the widgets by swiping up or down and change the order of widgets through the same process you'd use for a custom widget stack. Now, to remove a widget, go to the screen with the widget you'd like to delete. Touch and hold the blank area of the screen until your apps and widgets start jiggling. Tap the circle with a minus sign in the top left corner of the widget you'd like to delete, and then click Remove in the pop-up window. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.